I don't pay full price for flights, and you don't have to either. Here's my fast, no-fluff system to find cheaper flights using Google Flights. Step 1. Start broad. Type your origin and destination, but don't lock in a date yet. Tap Date Grid. Tap Price Graph. These two tools show the cheapest days at a glance. Move your trip by even 1 or 2 days and watch prices drop. If your dates are flexible, choose flexible dates and let Google do the hunting. Step 2. Zoom out, click Explore, or leave the destination blank. You'll get a world map with prices. Drag around and you'll find cheaper cities near your target. Fly into a nearby hub, take a train, or take a short hop. Step 3. Add airports. Hit the little plus by your origin and destination and add nearby airports, secondary airports, regional options, more runways, more competition, more deals. Step 4. Set smart filters. Turn on bags so the price includes what you actually need. Budget fares look cheap until you add a carry-on or add seat selection. I also filter for avoid long layovers, but I'll toggle it off if I'm okay with a longer stop to save big. Step 5. Mix and match. Toggle separate tickets. Sometimes 2 one-ways on different airlines beat a round trip. Also check connecting airports to see if a self-transfer saves money, but always leave extra time. Step 6. Price tracking. Flip on track prices. Google emails you when fares drop. Do this a few weeks or months before you need to fly. For domestic trips, I track 1 to 3 months out. For international, 2 but 6 months. Step 7. The sweet spot days. Typically, flying Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. Use Date Grid to line up the cheapest takeoff and return. Step 8. Check the fare class. Click the flight, then details. Basic economy can be cheap, but comes with restrictions. If you need a carry-on or seat selection, compare the upgraded fare. It's sometimes only a little more. Step 9. Refine with stops. One stop can be hundreds cheaper than non-stop. If you value time, sort by best, which balances price and duration. Step 10. Be location flexible. If your trip is somewhere warm in March, set your month and search the Explore map. Sort by price and pick the best vibe for your budget. Quick myths. Incognito mode won't magically drop prices. Booking on a specific weekday isn't a guarantee. Timing and demand matter more. Final move. Once you find a great fare, book fast. Deals don't last. If there's free 24-hour cancellation in your region, lock it in and think later. That's it. 10 steps, 3 minutes, and cheaper flights using Google Flights. Try it on your next trip, and keep the savings for the actual adventure.